I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need two things ready: your phone's hotspot and your Ps5 network menu. First, enable the hotspot on your phone, set a clear SSID and password, and confirm mobile data is active. Once done, power on the Ps5 and go to Settings, then Network, then Settings again. You'll start internet connection setup. Make sure no VPNs, data limits, or battery savers are blocking tethering, because they can prevent the Ps5 from completing the connection. Now connect. Choose Set up Internet Connection and pick Use Wi-Fi on the Ps5. Scan the available networks until you find your phone's SSID, then select it and enter the hotspot password exactly. Capitalization matters. After the Ps5 connects, run Test Internet Connection so you can see download/upload speeds and NAT type. If the test fails, switch to manual IP/DNS settings. Assign a static IP inside your phone's tethering range and set DNS to a reliable public server. Finish by optimizing for stability. If your Ps5 sees the network but experiences lag, enable 5 GHz on the hotspot for lower interference. Otherwise, fall back to 4 GHz for range. Once connected, sign into PlayStation Network and try a small download to confirm stability. If connection drops, restart both devices and rerun the test. Make sure your carrier allows tethering and that your NAT type is open or moderate for online play. That single check fixes most multiplayer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.